I wear this, what I style it with.
입문 나가는데. 근데 그 건너편에 거기
I don't even think the passes were this big.
군데 쌓여 있잖아. 거기 오픈돼 있는 거지?
한 달 아니야, 엄마. 1년.
1년.
I've never seen her freak out over a train like that.
There is candy.
What are you doing?
I have the best sister in the world who makes me coffee whenever I want. Here's the best sister in the world, and she's gonna make me an espresso because I'm high maintenance and she gets annoyed of me every time, but she still makes it for me every time. The reason I love it so much is because of these two. I added to my fall time iced lattes and they're so good. We'll need espresso. Refill mine. This is like my second one already. So good. So I got a really big spoonful of that. And then I'll add a little bit of this bourbon vanilla paste. It's thick. We need our choice of milk. At my sister's house, we always have 2%. Now add your coffee over this. And that's it! Thank you, Grace. You're the best sister. She's currently looking at stuff to get Ella, I guess. This is from Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon.
So this is the hardest I've seen her study all week.
Study for what? What do you need to study for?
그걸 알아봐. 참 잘하나봐.
오마이갓.
또 한번 먹어봐.
만들었어?
아 이거 산 거지.
약간 아니 국거리 뜻해가지고
김치.
많이 먹어요.
어제 잡채 얼마나 먹었으니까. 개비를 건드리면 먹지.
오이 가져가가지고
First, and then we play.
Okay, so today I have a little surprise here. Cozy Island. These shoes are beautiful. They're known to be super comfortable and cushiony. So I got both of these. Got this in brown and it's just like a mule type shoe with like a kitten heel. Maybe it's a little higher than a kitten heel, but it's really not that high. I love the chic design and I love how stretchy it is right over here. You can adjust the strap in case you have more narrow or wider feet. So I have it in this brown, black, beautiful color. I feel like it's gonna be the perfect touch if I'm going somewhere a little bit fancier or like brunch with friends or a wedding. Like no matter what it is, I think it's gonna be comfortable. Unboxing with you guys. So I got these sock booties. I absolutely love sock booties. I think that they're just like the most comfortable pair. I got this in brown because I have all these like black shoes and I actually don't have any brown. So it was like my perfect chance. And I love the color brown. But look how amazing this is. Sock booties are, I love how it makes your leg line look. I think it makes it look very stylish, and I love how it hugs, and it's not like you're matching the outline of the shoe, but the shoe matches the outline of you, and I love that. I wear sock booties with leggings sometimes and like a sweater dress or jeans. It looks nice. I'm just gonna show you guys how I wear this, what I style it with. I'm so excited to try these out. So we're going to church in my new shoe. Yeah, but so far it feels really comfortable and nice. I'm literally wearing leggings and a jacket, or leggings and a sweater. And I have this like jacket that looks nicer, but the shoe really completes the outfit because it looks so put together, but I'm just in leggings.
How was the weather? This way, no, not the middle. Grace, can I come? Or Days?
Yep, it's so nice.
Hello?
Yep. The jacket looks so good on you.
Oh, thank you. So long.
If it's like that on you, oh my
I'm gonna have
god.
you try it. Fall like a couple weeks ago.
No, September. But then like
Usually it would have.
okay guys, so today I will be going to a Cartier MCD Peacock event. Sorry, my room is really messy, so I'm just trying to show you guys what's going on here. I think they're showing us some timeless pieces with their watches. So my husband and I were like, let's just make this date night because I could bring one more person.
Leather band.
우리는 옆에 얘기하고.
옛날에 거기 앉고.
나 이거 찍어줄게. 잘 연구해.
Go, 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 go. Bless you.
위에만.
That's good, Dad. He keeps going.
또 밑에 있지.
입이 2번이라고 얘기한 건데. 볶음밥을 먹어야지.
웃겨, 엄마는 그레이스 맨날 웃겨.
제일 맛있는데 오늘.
Her poor Essie just had surgery for hyperparathyroidism, and she's in the process of healing. But yeah, she was in the ICU for like 2 days, and now she's having incontinence issues. We don't know if it's ETI. Do you like that Emo's here in the morning? Do you like that Emo's here in the morning? I wanted to make you breakfast. I slept over.
Help?
Huh?
Help.
You don't need to help, sweetie. You can just sit down, relax, drink your milk, play with your happy birthday balloon. Oh my goodness. Good morning. It's like, what time is it? 7:27 a.m. I ended up just sleeping over at Grace's, but today's a big day. So we have our two friends coming over. So when it was our birthday, they prepared like a whole cake and we're gonna surprise us, but then we ended up having to cancel our date because my grandma had fractured her femur bone and needed emergency surgery the next day. So like we weren't able to make it, and I felt so bad because they already bought the cake. When we redid our brunch a couple months later, like 2 months later, they still ended up bringing another cake to celebrate with us, and we were just so grateful for that. So we wanted to do something special for them today. So we're gonna do a little home cafe. Grace will make some coffee. We have a little bit of dessert for their birthdays. Candles, so cute. And then I'll just make like a little bit of brunch items so we can have a little breakfast while we celebrate. And then later tonight we have Ella's birthday, which you could check out in another vlog. She's having like 2 birthday parties because my cousin ended up coming back from New York a week earlier than Ella's birthday, so we decided to celebrate with the family this week, and next week's Ella's actual birthday, so we'll do a whole nother thing there. These are circles. I love you too, sweetie. Oh my god, the tomato smells so good. So cute. It's like 10-15 minutes, but we have my tomato tartlets.
I want one.
You're gonna have to ask Mom then, Ella. Oh, don't touch. Oh, is it indigo?
So I'll make yours and then...
Do you like